In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Samsung phone settings not opening or working. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now, this is usually caused by a corrupted system cache or a conflict with recent Google Play Services update. So since you cannot open the settings app to fix it, you got to use backdoor methods. The first method is the force restart. A standard restart might not clear the system process, so you need to force the hardware to power cycle. Press and hold the volume down and power button simultaneously and hold them for about 15 seconds until the screen goes black and the Samsung logo reappears. Once the phone reboots, try opening the settings immediately. If the app you recently installed is crashing the system, safe mode will disable it so you can get into settings. So you need to enter safe mode. So what you want to go ahead and do is hold the power and side button until the power menu appears and long press on the screen power off icon until it turns into a green safe mode icon. Then tap safe mode. Once the phone boots, it's going to say safe mode at the bottom and then try to open settings. If it opens, go to apps and then find the app you installed right before the crash restarted and uninstall it. Then restart normally to exit safe mode. What you can also do is clear cache. So since you can't clear settings in the app drawer, you can use the long press shortcut. So what you're going to do is find the application on your home screen, long press on it, and then what you could do is press the I on the top right. Then what you want to do is scroll down and go to storage and then clear cache right here, and then you should be good to go.